Hello everyone, this is MS Excel Formula and Tricks. Today we are here to learn about how to create a organogram in which how we can format a shape and how we can connect two shapes with an arrow. So if we'll move one shape, that arrow will decrease or increase its size or move by itself, but will not detach with your another shape. So let's go. First, we have to go to insert command, insert ribbon. We have to insert one shape. Let's insert the rectangle shape, which will have name of the person or the organization designation or something else. We can copy this and we can paste it one more time here and one more time next to this. Now, mostly what people do, people create this kind of shape and connects with a arrow. We can take this arrow and directly keep this arrow like this. But what will happen if you'll move your shape? This arrow will remain here. It will not change its direction or movement. So the trick will be when you will add the shape of this arrow, click on this dot and drag it to this shape, and you know when you will drag this, you will get 4 points of this shape and connect with this dot. After clicking removing your click, you can see it's become green, means this shape is connected with this green dot to this shape. Same for this one, you can do this here. You can see that it's already automatically created a shape and connected this point. Now you can see if you will move this shape to anywhere, this arrow will adjust its size by default, by automatically. So do once again, copy, paste. This is your shape. We'll take this dot, we'll match to this dot, it's become green. Again we'll take this dot and we'll match to this dot, it's become green, it's connected to this. You can now see this. It's, now we can move this on and adjust little. It's connected. Now we can just click on these arrows, we can format it, change it to black line, will increase some weight, and this is your dots. About shape, let's click on all the three shape at a time. We will remove the outline, we'll keep it at no outline. We'll change the shape color as this blue or this blue, anything else, whatever you will feel like is good. And we'll go to shape, we'll go to preset, we will check this preset 4, this is good. You can take this preset 3 or preset 5. These are the best one to use for an or organogram or the tree map, whatever you want to. If you want some 3D effect, you can use this, you can use this. But best in a corporate line, best will be preset 4 or preset 5. We'll click, it's changed. Now you do not have, please do not add a text box above this shape, as again if you move the shape, the text box will remain there. So while putting the name or anything details inside that box, just right click and click on edit text. This edit text will activate the text box inside of that particular shape. Now you can click here, type here manager, and change the orientation, middle align, can increase size whatever you want. We'll keep the text as white. Again, assist assistant manager 1. Here we write as assistant manager. So here is a simple one. You can create another points for your organogram as required as per the size of your company. Thank you.